Two top contenders in data analytics and BI. One big question. Which platform truly delivers? On the left, Amplitude, behavior-centric digital analytics for product and growth teams. And on the right, Qlik Sense, modern self-service BI with enterprise analytics at scale. Let's skip the buzzwords and get straight to the facts that matter. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll see a crystal clear winner for 2025. The result might surprise you.
Quick spoiler, here's how we're comparing them. Yep, we're covering pricing, analytics focus, ease of use and setup, scalability and performance, integrations, who they're really made for, support and community, and couldn't skip security and compliance. Visualizing all of that in this nifty mind map so you can see where each shines. All right, first up, pricing and total cost of ownership. So Amplitude does that whole tiered pricing thing. You get free, growth, or enterprise. And honestly, the value is solid if you want deep behavioral analytics. But let's be real, it can get kind of pricey, especially if you want access to the cool advanced features. Qlik Sense, it's got this competitive edge for enterprise self-serve BI. And generally, you're looking at a lower cost of ownership unless you start stacking all those add-ons. Pricing isn't simple, though, with scaling and extras. But overall, Qlik Sense is the better deal if your wallet's watching.
Okay, now analytics focus. Amplitude is like laser focused on behavioral analytics. It cuts deep into how users are interacting, gives you real-time insights, and its cohort analysis, so cool for product people. But don't expect classic BI dashboards or general reporting. That's not Amplitude's vibe. Then there's Qlik Sense. This thing is made for wide-ranging BI. Dashboards galore, any sort of business data. You can explore data any way you want. But it doesn't do those granular product or user events quite like Amplitude. If you want true digital product analytics, Amplitude is your star. This round, Amplitude takes it. Ease of use and setup. So Amplitude's got a slick, modern interface and collaboration tools, which analytics nerds love. But honestly, getting started can be a bit, where do I click now? And building reports can make you sweat. Qlik Sense, though, drag and drop building, super user-friendly. And most people ramp up quick, even if hooking up those crazy data sources can get a bit technical. For overall ease, Qlik Sense wins. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Amplitude actually started out as Clearbrain before the rebrand. While Qlik, it came out of Sweden and has kind of led the whole modern BI innovation charge worldwide. Small world, huh? On to scalability and performance. Both these platforms handle massive data loads like pros. No kidding. Amplitude's got the rep for stable, high-volume analytics, and Qlik Sense was built for massive enterprise work. Big orgs love its concurrency and data integrations. You know what? There's no clear winner here. Both scale up like it's nothing. Integrations! Amplitude integrates smoothly with all your marketing and product tools. Plus, it's API-friendly for custom stuff, but it's mostly living in the digital world. You know? Qlik Sense, this is where it gets wild. It'll connect to pretty much anything. Cloud, on-premises, whatever your BI stack is. You want connectors? Qlik's got them. So, integration king this time is Qlik Sense. Ideal users and use cases. This is interesting. Amplitude is just killer for product managers, growth teams, SaaS, fintech, online stores, but not really your general purpose BI solution. Qlik Sense? If you're an analyst, C-suite exec, or wrangling sales, finance, supply chains, it's all you. But for super granular product usage analysis, not its thing. Overall, different strengths, so it's a tie. Support and community. Amplitude's got nice docs and expert guidance, but certain high-touch support gotta pay up. Qlik Sense? The community is gigantic and partners everywhere. Both get the job done, so gotta call it even. Security and compliance. Yep, they both cover this well. Amplitude is all over the robust access control and compliance for analytics. Qlik Sense? Their enterprise security creds are on point. I mean, activities. If your data isn't safe, we've got bigger problems. No one pulls ahead here. Picture this. If you line both platforms up on a radar chart, Qlik Sense totally owns pricing, ease of use, and integrations, while Amplitude is epic at digging into behavioral analytics. Both are equally strong on scalability, security, and support. And when it comes to who should use what, you gotta be clear on what your team really needs. So, want to know the verdict? If you need world-class behavioral analytics that gets crazy specific for product and UX squads, Amplitude's the clear pick. But if you're all about enterprise dashboards, reporting, and flexibility across the business, Qlik Sense is where you want to be. Honestly, both totally excel. The winner depends on your goals.
Still stuck on which one? Try out both. Their trials are worth a spin to see what unlocks insights for your team. And hey, hit follow for more real-world tech showdowns.